Welcome back to my kitchen, everyone. On the menu today, I have this one pot rice and chicken for you. Don't want to miss this one. Stay tuned.
Hashtag, I'm a big deal. I'm a big deal. Very, very, very important for.
So for this menu today, I'm going to be using chicken thighs. Now I have about 6 medium chicken thighs here that I've taken the skin off and deboned. Now I'm just going to season this up. Now I'm using a tablespoon of my Maggi chicken seasoning. I'm going to also add half a tablespoon of my complete seasoning and about a tablespoon of my smoked paprika. Now just get all this in a bowl and just give it a good mix. Now you can marinate this for about 2 hours or so. You can just marinate it and use it straight away. It all depends, but for maximum flavor, give it at least half an hour. Put it aside and just let it marinate. When you're ready to cook, in a heated pan, now I'm using coconut oil, but you can use the oil of your choice. I'm gonna go in with about a teaspoon of oil. Now I am using a non-stick pot, so I can, it's easier to fry chicken in less oil than you would in a non-stick pan. Now all I'm gonna do now is just go in and start putting my chicken in and just leave this to start sauteing. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming by. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. For my returning subscribers, big up on yourself. Thank you so much for your continuous support. It has not gone unnoticed. Now I sauteed my chicken for roughly about 10 minutes, stirring it occasionally. Now all I'm gonna add now is about a medium chopped onion and about 4 cloves of crushed garlic. Now you want to let this saute with the onions for about 3 to 4 minutes. Just gonna add about a tablespoon of paprika just for a little bit more color. Now I'm using frozen peppers, but if you have fresh peppers you can go ahead and use it. If you've been on my channel for a while, you know that I love this stuff. And I'm also gonna add in about a handful of my frozen mixed veg and some thyme. I'm gonna give this a good mix and just cover it for about 5 minutes for all that juices to just start flowing through. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my rice. Now the rice that I'm using for this dish is a Thai fragrance rice, but you can use whichever rice you have or whatever rice you prefer. It doesn't really matter. I just love the taste of this rice. Now all I'm doing is just gonna give this a good mixture. Now I'm using some boiling water here, but if you have something like for maximum flavor, you could use some chicken stock. But what I did was I added my water and I also added a chicken bouillon cube, just for that flavor to pop. But please make sure you taste your pot so that you don't add too much. If for instance it's not too salty or if it needs more seasoning, you can go ahead and add it. But definitely with this dish I would recommend you use chicken stock. Now once the water is reduced a little bit, now I'm going to cover this with foil and put it in my oven. Now you can leave it on the cooker if you prefer, but I wanted this in the oven. When it goes in the oven, you don't really need to check on it. Just put it in the oven on about gas mark number 6 for about half an hour to 40 minutes, and you take it out, your rice is just beautifully done. Now guys, this is one of them dish where sometimes you just want something nice and simple but really tasty for your dinner or your lunch. and this is just one of those perfect dishes that's just, you know, really effortless but really tasty. So there you have it guys, my one pot rice and chicken meal. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up for your girl, and as I always say, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Catch you in the next video guys. Bye.